guys and girls, I'm excited to bring a new product to you today. I'm really impressed with this. It's called the Wig Fix. It's got these little tiny beads that help it grip. It's made of silicone. And what I love about this product is that it's lightweight. It works. Silicone is the only ingredient of the Wig Fix. Silicone is used for burns and wounds in the medical field. It helps the skin and hair retain its natural oils, and the textured surface of the Wig Fix gently massages the scalp while it's being worn, which induces blood flow, which also can induce natural hair growth, according to the company. It's made by a company called the Renatural. It's $30. It's worth it because this will last you up to 2 years. It's very easy to care for, and because it's translucent, you can wear it with virtually any wig cap. Basic, lace front, monofilament top, silk base, on and on. This takes the place of all adhesives, glues, lace front tape that can irritate your skin and pull your biological hair out. This will replace it all. Let's give it a try. It just fits like this behind the ears. Then bring it up to your hairline. Per the instructions, you're to wear this just behind your hairline. The little beads allegedly stimulate your scalp and encourage hair growth. This product is perfect for wig wearers that have no hair or that still have biological hair. Against my skin, it feels like a very comfortable soft gel. It's stretchy. Best of all, it fits all head sizes. We're going to try this with Envy's Belinda wig, which is a lace front monofilament part. Here we go. Now what you can do is adjust the bands of the wig if need be to make it tighter on your head or to secure it more. Oh gosh. I mean, I am jerking the wig and it is not budging. This is incredible. It's comfortable. You can't even see it. The lace front still looks killer. As comfortable as this Wig Fix is, and it took seconds to put it on. I'm sure it'll take 2 seconds to take it off. With such ease of use, why mess with messy glues and adhesives? Now, if for any reason, and I don't know why this would happen, but if it does, if the wig grip is noticeable at your hairline for some reason, you can always use makeup to tint it. Let's see how quick and easy it is to take off. Remove the wig. Voila! I mean, you can't get much easier than this. And let's talk about the difference between the Wig Fix and the wig gripper. Well, this product will probably last a couple of years. This, with continuous wear, is going to probably stretch out of shape. Your Velcro is probably going to get furry and may not work quite as well. The Velcro also, when I've used these, tends to irritate my skin a little bit from rubbing. You're not going to have that problem with the Wig Fix. Also, the Wig Fix is invisible. The wig grip is not. So you run the risk with the wig grip of it showing at your hairline. So to recap, the Wig Fix is gentle on the scalp. It's great for people with sensitive skin. It's low maintenance, it saves time, it's headache resistant, easy application, easy on and off, it's reusable for up to 2 years, and it's invisible when worn. I will leave a link to where you can buy the Wig Fix in the video description box under this video. If you have questions about this product, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave your questions in the comment section below. Well, thank you so much for watching my product review of the Wig Fix. I'm very happy with this product and I look forward to using it. Take care. Bye-bye.